My name is Farhana Musarat. You all can call me Farhana. I'm the program coordinator for the OmicsLogic LSU Biomed summer programs. I'm basically a molecular virologist and working as a postdoctoral researcher at LSU Baton Rouge at the School of Veterinary Science. And I will be assisting mostly the LBRN and LSU members with registration and any other issues that they might have. So these are the courses that we are offering for the summer, and Ilya already described these courses. And the question is, who is eligible for this course? And the answer is, it's actually everyone. So this course is open to all, and anybody who are in LSU, USA or any other countries in the world can take these courses, and the courses are available for a fee. However, we are offering this free registration for a limited number of people. And the criteria is you have to be a member of LBRN or LSU School of Veterinary Medicine or NAIPI. LSU campuses members are welcome to take the course also. However, the course will not be free for them. So how do we register for the courses? I have been getting a lot of emails about registration process, and I think I need to explain it very clearly. So the registration process includes 2 steps. One is the pre-registration, and the other is the registration. So the pre-registration process includes opening an account in the OmicsLogic portal, which is the educational portal, and all your course materials will be accessible there. And before that, you have already registered for the program in the edu.omicslogic.com/LSU Biomed. So once you register here, once you click the register for the program here, you actually submitted the application to us. And when you open the account and create an account and update your profile, just what Japs and Ilya showed, you already are in our system. However, for LSU and LBRN members only, we need additional steps to complete the registration. This step is not applicable for NAIPI. So for LSU and LBRN members only, to complete the registration, you have to make sure that you have an account in the iLab. So once you have created an account there, you will have a login information, username and password. And when you log in here, you will see a drop-down menu here on the left top corner. You click here and then you will see the core facilities. And then you will select the REGSITER core facilities and services on the left. After that, you have to click on the request services on the right side top corner. So after that, you will see training module sections where you will see all the names of the courses that we are offering for summer. So in this training module with the red asterisk mark, you have to write down what are the courses that you are interested in. So you have to write down the names of the courses in this white section. So once you are done, you will see here a fund number section, but you don't have to put any number here since the LSU and LBRN members will be sponsored by us. So what you can write here is just write whether you are from LSU, LBRN, or LSU School of Veterinary Medicine, and then just click the submit request to core. And that is how you will complete your registration. So if you have any other questions regarding the registration process, please don't hesitate to contact me. my email address is, I'm going to write in the chat section. It's fmusar1@lsu.edu. So I will try to answer any other questions that you have, or you can write it in the chat section or shoot me an email later on, and we will be happy to answer and try to help out with the registration process. So that's all, Ilya.